Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to St. Petersburg, Florida. This is a bespoke built vehicle built on an assembly line that all starts with our design process. This is an example of custom bumpers, tinted windows, an exact shade of Mango Tango that fit this customer's desire for the overall package on this vehicle. 18-inch billet wheels, Kincer Engineering chassis with active ride control. This vehicle has it all, including this interior. Now let's take a look. Now the design of this interior starts off with a Castano Italian leather, incredibly soft, smells amazing, and has these vertical pleats in the high back seats. We then have C-deck flooring and barnwood bed in back. Let's go take a look. You know, this is the design the customer was seeking. It's a bespoke built vehicle to his exact specifications and the overall look he was desiring. We are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.